What drives you to get out of bed every morning, even when the world seems against you? This is the power of a question that introduces motivation and perseverance. These are the traits that break barriers and conquer summits. Let's delve into a story that perfectly encapsulates the power of motivation and perseverance. Imagine a boy born into dire poverty, plagued with a learning disability, yet harbored an unquenchable thirst for knowledge. He hailed from a world where the odds were stacked against him, a world where the whispers of doubt and defeat echoed louder than the cheers of encouragement. His reality was a battleground, a constant struggle between his circumstances and his dreams. Yet, this boy was unlike any other. His spirit was indomitable, his resolve unshakable. He was not defined by his circumstances, but by his unwavering determination and relentless pursuit of knowledge. While others saw a world of limitations, he saw a world of possibilities. His journey was far from easy. His learning disability posed challenges that seemed insurmountable. He labored over books, struggling to comprehend the words that danced before his eyes. The nights were long, the days even longer. His heart was heavy with the weight of his dreams, yet he pressed on, fueled by his unyielding thirst for knowledge. In the face of adversity, he remained steadfast. He toiled under the dim light of a single candle, fought against the gnawing pangs of hunger, and braved the biting cold of winter nights. Yet, he did not falter. His motivation was his beacon, his perseverance his shield. His relentless pursuit bore fruit. The boy who once struggled to read a simple sentence now deciphered the complex equations of science with ease. His thirst for knowledge was a roaring river that could not be dammed. His learning disability did not define him, his triumph did. His story is a testament to the power of determination, the strength of motivation, and the resilience of the human spirit. It is a story that resonates with the echoes of triumph, a story that reverberates with the power of perseverance. Against all odds, he became a renowned scientist, a testament to the power of motivation and perseverance. So what can we glean from this tale of triumph? At the heart of our story lies the raw power of motivation and perseverance. It's about never letting the hurdles deter your spirit, about keeping your eyes fixed on the prize, no matter how elusive it may seem. The essence of this story is the realization that success doesn't come easy. It demands sweat, determination, and hard work. It's about understanding that failure isn't falling down, but refusing to get back up. It's about the courage to continue that counts. This narrative serves as evidence that obstacles don't have to end you. They can be the very stepping stones to your victory. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth. Keep pushing, keep persevering, and you too can achieve your goals.